In today's video, I am going to teach you how to search bookmarks in Google Chrome. Open Chrome in your PC. Once Chrome is open, click into the address bar if your cursor is not already there. Then type at bookmarks. After that, press the Tab key or the space bar on your keyboard. When you do this correctly, Chrome will switch into bookmark search mode. At that point, you can start typing the name of the bookmark you are looking for, or even part of the page title, and Chrome will begin showing matching results. A helpful tip here is to type clear and specific words that are likely to appear in the bookmark title. The more specific your search is, the easier it will be to narrow down the results. If needed, you can keep refining what you type until the correct bookmark appears. Once you see the bookmark you want, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to highlight it. Then press Enter to open it. You can also click the result with your mouse if you prefer. This is one of those small Chrome features that can make everyday browsing more efficient. After using it a few times, it becomes a very natural part of your workflow. That covers everything you need to know.